This is the control system of the Tornado 1. Here you can see there is a small LCD display. This is a power button and this is a slot for handpiece. This is the back panel of the control unit. Here is the main AC supply switch and here is the switch for foot switch. Here we'll connect the AC mains power supply like this, and here we'll connect this foot switch cable. There is a red dot which we have to match it and simply connect it. The other end of the cable will go into the foot switch. This is the cable for the handpiece. This is the motor and this is the other end of the handpiece. We'll remove this cap and we'll connect this socket here. The other end of the motor will attach the handpiece. We have to match this along with this slot to connect this handpiece. This is how we will attach the burr to this attachment. We have to first unlock this. This is unlocked. You have to put the burr inside the handpiece like this, and we have to lock it twice. This is locked. There is one major precaution we have to take. We should never use this drill without the drill inside the attachment. I repeat, we should never use this drill without this drill bit inside the attachment. Now we are going to power on the Tornado system. So for this we have to press on this power button. The system will do its self-diagnosis to check if there is any error or loose connection. As soon as the self-diagnosis is complete, you can see the speed is mentioned over the screen. Currently the speed is 80,000 RPM. We can adjust the speed with the help of this down and up arrow. The minimum speed is 10,000 RPM and the maximum is 80,000 RPM. We can change the speed. Now this button is for irrigation system. We can adjust the flow rate of the irrigation system by pressing this arrow, up and down arrow. This is the foot switch. With the help of foot switch, we can increase and decrease the speed slowly. As you can see on the screen, the speed is increasing as the foot switch is pressed. The maximum speed is 80,000 RPM. Here you can see 80,000 RPM. There is an emergency button on this device. With the help of this emergency button, you can operate the drill with the help of this control unit. You can press start to make the machine on. You can press stop to make it stop.